I think we all can agree being stuck in the house, self-quarantining from this COVID-19, aka coronavirus, can be pretty boring. You know what I'm saying? And I'm pretty sure you done ate up all your self-quarantine snacks. Like, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY exfoliant with ingredients you probably already have at home in your kitchen. So continue watching if you want to see how.
I'm a rock star. Woke up to niggas talking.
So a couple of things that you'll be needing for this mask, and yes, your girl got a paper plate because I don't like washing dishes, and y'all ain't gonna come wash my dishes for me. Okay. So first thing we need is a little brown sugar. We just need some brown sugar, you know what I'm saying? Brown sugar. Okay. Next, you'll be needing some coffee grinds, preferably. I have fine coffee grinds. Next, you'll need some oil. I'm using grapeseed oil because it's rich in vitamin E, and I need that vitamin E for my skin. Last but not least, we are using some honey. So let's go ahead. Let me tell y'all the benefits of everything we're using, and I'm making a pretty medium batch because I am going to use this on my body in the shower. So not only can you use it on your face, you can use it on your body. Okay. Thing first, you want to get your coffee and your brown sugar mixed in together very well. And we're using coffee because coffee has good anti-aging benefits. It also helps calming the skin, reducing inflammation. It helps to treat acne, and it helps to brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and unclog your pores. That is what coffee does. We're using brown sugar just for the exfoliant because, you know, it's a good exfoliator. You can use any oil that you have in the house, extra virgin olive oil, any oil, skin oils that you have in the house. I'm using grapeseed oil because, like I said, it is rich in vitamin E, and we want that vitamin E for the skin. So I'm only going to be pouring a teaspoon in there. I am struggling, y'all. My little setup is a struggle, but it's okay because we're getting there. And then we're going to add some honey, so I'm just going to pour it right on top. I'll give that about a teaspoon as well, a tablespoon. Now we just eyeball it. And now you want to mix up your mixture. So I'm just gonna mix it up real quick. And depending on how your mixture is looking, you can add more or less of honey. I'm gonna add a little bit more just to get everything incorporated together. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all the great benefits of honey. So I know people are gonna be like, ew, COVID-19. My hands are washed. Honey is also good for acne. It's an antibacterial. It has good antioxidants, and it's also moisturizing. I have a fan right here in front of my face, so like, let me tell y'all, this stuff is kind of flying off the plate and getting on me. So, okay, so by the time you're done with your mixture, you should have somewhat of a clumpy material, kind of like this. It's gonna be a little sticky. Gonna kind of feel like wet sand. I don't know if y'all have ever felt like wet sand or like that moon sand stuff. That's what it's gonna feel like. So from here, we're gonna start doing what it do. Put it on our face. This is so messy. Okay, I'm gonna go wet my face a little bit. I had a wet towel out here, but it took me so long to do my intro. The towel kind of dried up. So I'm finna put a little water on my face, and I'll be right back. So I actually put a little water inside of the exfoliant because I'm outside and it's kind of hard to be in the bathroom while I'm trying to do this. You can use this on your body, When I get in the shower, I'm gonna hit more up, you know, on my neck and stuff. Right now, I'm gonna concentrate on my face. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you want me to beat it up, yes, sir. And then maybe I beat it up. Your body, my body, your body. I'm actually a little slow right there. I had wet. I had to smash that stash. I'm so in love with that. Step, bean, ride, up, down, come Now it's time to go rinse this stuff off our face. Okay guys, so I am back and my face is super moisturized. When I tell y'all that it did, oh wait, I got a little bit left right here. When I tell y'all that it really did something for my skin, like my skin is so smooth. I haven't even put any moisturizer or like anything on my skin. I haven't put anything on my skin, and look at this glow. Baby girl, look at this glow. Oh my god, god damn, like you can't tell me nothing. My skin is so moisturized, so smooth. I even noticed my little dark spot right here after I got done exfoliating. Like I knocked the dead skin off of it because it has lightened up literally in that first use. And all we used was some coffee, brown sugar, a little oil, water, and literally this is better than the stuff I buy in the store, because usually my exfoliant when I buy it in the store, it will like dry my skin out a little bit, and I have to put like some coconut oil or some oils on top of my skin. But like, girl, when I tell you my skin is so moisturized right now, I was like, if I put any more oil on it, I might overdo it, so I'm gonna leave it as is. But this skin, baby girl, I just want to thank y'all for watching my video. Go ahead and comment down below, like I said. What are y'all doing? Are you bored self-quarantining from this corona? Have you ate all your self-quarantine snacks? Do you have COVID-19? Share this video, like this video, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notification on so you can know when me, Jasmine Glover, post another video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.